Orange and Black Day math puzzle. Our goal today is I can add and subtract 3-digit numbers to complete the puzzle. And I'll know I'm successful when I can solve each problem and finish the puzzle accurately. Today we are going to do something fun for Orange and Black Day for math. We are going to do this puzzle. So I suggest coloring this before you cut it, but then please cut out each piece. And if you are a remote student, if your teacher says so in your Maven card, you might have a copy of this waiting for you in the office, and you can pick it up in the elementary office and then cut it out. If you are a in-person student, you will get a copy of this for yourself in class. And if you are also a remote student and you don't want to come to the office, but you have your own printer at home, it is in Google Classroom. So please color and then cut this out, and then I will show you a little bit on how to complete the puzzle, but I will not show you everything because your job will be to do addition or subtraction to figure out what puzzle piece goes where. I have my puzzle all cut out, so my tip for you is to spread that all out. Again, if you would have liked, this should have been colored so that your puzzle can be nice and bright and pretty, but I just wanted to save some time, so my pieces are white for today. So as I said, we have some addition and subtraction on our cards right here, our puzzle pieces. And my tip for you is to use maybe a marker to work out your problems, or use a pencil and paper. That way you can know for sure what your answers are. Then you can do the puzzle. Because I will admit, these are 3-digit problems. And for some of these, you might need to write them down in order to know where your puzzle piece goes. So my tip for you is to figure out the answer, and then you can find your matches. So I'm going to do that right now by looking at, since this looks like a stem, I'm going to just guess it goes on top. Okay, and our problem, if you see, is 123 plus 456. So I'm going to figure out that answer right now. 123 plus 456, okay? 3 plus 6 is 9, 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 4 is 5. So 579 is what I'm going to look for. Let's try to look for that answer because we have answers on the other side. That does not have 579. This is the one that we have to have. Nope, that doesn't have it. These don't have it. 579. I gotta find it. 583. That's close. Not quite. Oh, I found it. Here's 579. It's right at the top. So I know that piece must go next so that our answer matches up with the problem, okay? And then we have some problems on this side. 367 plus 458. We have 79 plus 314 right there. And then we have just a 740 by itself, which means that that'll be the answer to a problem that we don't have yet. So let's solve 79 plus 314. That one looks like a fun one to do. 79 plus 314. I'm going to put the 314 on top, just so that my hundreds can stay lined up with the 0 in that hundreds place. 4 plus 9 is 3. We have 1 plus 1 plus 7 is 9. And then we have a 3 right here. So 393 will be what I need to look for right here. I'm just going to add that right there because I know that's what I'm going to look for. And since I have my marker out, let's try to figure out 367 plus 458, which is this problem right here. And we have 15, we have 12, and we have 8. So 825. Okay, let's try to find those 2 cards. And then I think you'll kind of get the hang of this. If you don't, you can always pause, rewind, and then you can try to figure it out. I don't want to do the whole puzzle for you because that's your job to try to figure out all the answers, all the sums if you're adding, all the differences if you're subtracting, and to see what the completed puzzle is. So I'm not going to show you that part. So let's try to find our answers, okay? 393, which, you know what? I see right here. 393. Remember, that went right here. So I'm just going to erase that. Put it right there. 825 is the other one I have to find. So let's see. It's not on this one. Oh, but it's on this one. See? 825. So I will match that up and put it right there. Ooh, so I have the top of something so far. I wonder what it is. So it's your job today to try to finish this puzzle. And like I said, write down your problems if you need to. If you can't do them all in your head, that's okay. Write them out and make sure that your answers are correct and accurate so that you can find the correct puzzle piece. Have fun today. So remember, your goal today is I can add and subtract 3-digit numbers to complete the puzzle. And you'll know you're successful today when you can solve each problem and complete the puzzle accurately.